What's up guys, it's Adamu here, and today we're talking about YouTube trends. We're diving deep into the strategies that'll take your channel from 0 to 1 million subscribers. Well, maybe not 1 million, but you get the idea. We'll be covering everything from crazy challenges to those super satisfying ASMR videos that make you want to melt into your couch. Oh, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the hottest YouTube trends that can skyrocket your channel's growth. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Alright, first up we've got challenges. I'm talking about those wild and wacky videos that make you question whether people will do anything for views, and the answer is yes, they will. But hey, that's the beauty of it. Challenges are a fantastic way to grab attention, get people talking, and hopefully, laughing their heads off. The key here is to find a challenge that's trending and put your own unique spin on it. Don't just do what everyone else is doing, crank it up to 11. Make it bigger, funnier, messier, whatever it takes to stand out from the crowd. And the best part? Challenges are super shareable. People love to tag their friends and be like, dude, you have to try this. So you're not just getting views, you're getting exposure, and that, my friends, is how you grow a channel. Now, let's talk about YouTube Shorts, the bite-sized videos that are taking the platform by storm. Think of them as mini videos, perfect for those with short attention spans, like me. But seriously, Shorts are a goldmine for creators because YouTube is actively pushing them to compete with TikTok. That means more eyeballs on your content, and who doesn't want that? The key with Shorts is to keep things short, sweet, and to the point. You've got to hook people in the first few seconds or they'll keep scrolling. Think catchy music, fast-paced edits, and a whole lot of personality. And remember, Shorts are all about entertainment, so don't be afraid to get creative and experiment. Next up, we've got the classics, DIY projects, and how-to videos. You know, the ones where you learn how to build a bookshelf out of popsicle sticks or make slime that looks like it came from another planet. These videos are evergreen, meaning they'll always be relevant. People are always looking for ways to learn new skills, fix things around the house, or just have some fun creating something with their own two hands. The trick here is to find a niche and become the go-to expert. What are you passionate about? What do you know how to do really well? Share that knowledge with the world. And don't forget to make your videos clear, concise, and easy to follow. No one wants to watch a 30-minute tutorial on how to change a light bulb unless, of course, it involves explosions and a life-sized replica of the Eiffel Tower. Then, maybe. And finally, we come to ASMR, the internet's favorite way to unwind, de-stress, and maybe fall asleep to the sound of someone whispering about paintbrushes. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, ASMR is huge. These videos are all about creating those tingly sensations that send shivers down your spine. In a good way, of course. Think soft whispers, gentle tapping, and the crinkling of paper. It's like a massage for your ears, and people can't get enough of it. Now, ASMR isn't for everyone, but if you've got a calming voice and a knack for creating soothing sounds, this could be your ticket to YouTube stardom. Just remember to invest in a good microphone because sound quality is everything when it comes to ASMR. So there you have it, guys. The hottest YouTube trends that can help you grow your channel and achieve your wildest content creation dreams. Just remember to be yourself, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. You never know what might go viral. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.